Making online data more secure for clients, that's what OneNet Singapore, a subsidiary of MediaCorp Technologies, hopes to do as the exclusive distributor in Singapore for SwissVault. It's a Swiss online data backup service regarded by many as Europe's most secure. Satish Cheney with a story.
People who've lost everything on their computers will give you this advice. Always back up your data. And that's what Swiss company Secure InfoStore AG, or SIAG, specializes in. Users of their SwissVault service can retrieve their data confidentially from anywhere in the world. Besides being able to automatically back up digital data, the service also promises high security, what with its digital data center located deep in the Swiss Alps.
Where Singapore is concerned, we are positioning ourselves to be the media hub. This actually enhances our reputation as a trusted and secure facility. And now we can tell people that your data will not only be safe in Singapore, but also can be backed up in the safest place in the Swiss mountains in Switzerland itself.
Singapore is known as a hub in Asia, and we wanted to start at the right place. Singapore is the right place. We are as well starting in Hong Kong and Malaysia. We are in the moment in the development of South Korea and Japan.
Users can log on to OneNet to register for a free 30-day demo version.